So a few days ago, I showed you a video where my upline was earning over $300, and today it has increased. Just few days in between, it has increased to over $400 per day. This is per day, guys. Okay, this is powerful. This platform is powerful. Do not sit on the fence. Okay, now this video is showing you over 27k that has been earned so far with $400 daily. Now this is completely insane, guys. It is insane. That means in 1 month this account is going to be making about $11,000 on a monthly basis, guys. And now remember that this amount is actually increasing on a daily basis. So in the next few months, the account is going to be earning more than $400, which means the account will be earning more than $11,000 per month. So I give credit to my upline for letting me leverage on this result to record this video to share with my team members. I just want to make you aware that things are happening in POPMAX. This is the POPMAX, platform. Okay, when you register today, you will have something similar, okay, in your mobile phone or your computer. Now, when you join POPMAX, you have the option to choose either of these contracts. Okay, these ones are contracts: 10 days contract, 30 days contract, 90 days contract, 180 days contract, and then 360 days contract. Now you will notice that for each contract there is a percentage that you earn per day. So for 360 days contract, you will earn the highest percentage, okay, on a daily basis, which is 1%. So I recommend, when you are joining POPMAX with me using the link below this video description, I recommend you select 360 days, because that will give you the highest return on your staking. Okay, now let me show you something that is going to interest you as well. This same token that we are staking for, which is PPT, that has been listed, okay, in 5 different exchanges: Bybit, BitGet, Mexi, Gate.io, and BitX. And they are also planning to list it on Binance. So imagine PPT being listed in Binance. Do you know what that means? Binance is #1 crypto exchanges in the whole world. So when that get listed in Binance, that is going to make the original market price of PPT just shoot up. And you know what that means? Okay, it means more money for us. Okay, now let me give you another representation of the staking and the reward model here. Okay, again, you will see the corresponding days with the corresponding percentage that you get when you join this platform. Now, the good thing about this platform is at the end of each of these periods, if it is 10 days period, 30 days period, 90 days period, 180 days period, or 360 days period, you will get back your original staking capital. Okay, they will give it back to you, so which is great. So for somebody starting today with a minimum of $100, the person will get that $100 back at the end of 10 days, 30 days, 90 days, 180 days, or 360 days. Okay, so it's a great platform, and this screenshot is just telling you that you will be able to earn more when you begin to share with your friends and family. Okay, as I said, I have done a separate video on this particular referral payment system. Okay, please go and watch my video to understand how the referral works. But just to give you an idea of what you stand to benefit when you share with your friends and family, you will be earning 15% on your direct referral. Okay, now if you want to begin to rank up what has been given here, then there are requirements. For you to earn your 15%, there is no requirement. As you can see, none is required. Okay, but if you begin to refer more people, okay, that means the minimum people you can refer is 3 people if you want to rank up to P1. If those 3 people are able to contribute up to $30,000 in volume, that will trigger your 10% daily earning. Okay, if you want to go that far, because I know that some people just want to add maybe their wife or their auntie or their daughter, which is fine. You do not have to refer the whole world. But if you share with your friends and family, this is what you are going to benefit from. And there are more examples here which I have already explained in my referral compound video. I will honestly advise you and recommend for you to watch that video so that you will understand all of this. But I just want you to know that you do not need any referral to earn your 1% on a daily basis. This has nothing to do with referral. Okay. But when you refer, the company will give you extra bonus, extra money on top of what you are earning on a daily basis. Okay, I just want to make that clear so that people will not be thinking that, oh, you are doing this because you are getting referral bonus. No, you do not have to refer anybody. You will still earn your 1% on a daily basis. That's the point of this video. So a big shout out to my upline for making this happen, for people for showing me this opportunity, and for me showing you guys this opportunity as well. Money is coming in on a daily basis, and I want you guys as well to benefit from it as we progress in POPMAX. The link to join is below this video description. I wish you the best. Remember that there are 2 videos for you to watch, one for mobile phone, one for computer. If you are using mobile phone, watch video for mobile phone to know how to register correctly. If you are using computer, watch the video for computer to learn how to register correctly, and then register, and then begin to enjoy this profit that we are earning on a daily basis. $400 per day. That's a lot of money, guys. You do not want to miss out on this. Okay, so thank you for watching. I will see you in my next video.